Hey, hi friends, I'm your physical therapist Shruti from Pain Care Advanced Physiotherapy. Last two videos we are looking for the low back pain and its stiffness. Now it's time to move further and look for a few exercises that will help you to reduce your back pain. So I'm going to share with you a few exercises that will help you to reduce your back pain. Let's get started for that. First exercise, your gluteal bridge with leg raise. In this, what you have to do, you have to roll your pelvis posteriorly. Then you have to lift your pelvis, contract your gluteal muscle, and shifting weight on one leg, raise your another leg. Don't cross your leg above your knee. Another knee which is resting. It should be parallel to your or the line of your another knee. Hold it for a 1 or 2 seconds and then rest it. Repeat on each side for 5 to 10 repetition each side, depend on your capacity. This is a good activation of your core and your gluteal muscles that will support your back. So lift it up, hold it for 1 or 2 seconds and then relax. Second exercise is your spinal stretch. So what you have to do, place your right hand on the floor and then lift your right leg, put it crossed over your body, and with the help of your left hand, stretch it to the floor. So you can see nicely how you are getting a stretch on your back. So the same you have to repeat this procedure on either of the sides. So you can hold for 5 seconds and then release it. Right? It's a good stretch for your spine. You have to do 5 counts, 5 repetitions on each side. Third exercise is your Superman. In this, what you have to do, you have to go in a quadruped position and then you have to take the alternate leg and hand. Left hand, right leg. Hold it in this position for 5 seconds, or you can go and hold it for a 1 or 2 seconds. Do on each side 5 counts, 5 repetitions. Fourth one is your back extension. In this, what you have to do, you have to go prone, keeping your hand near to your shoulder level and extend your back how much you can. Don't try to stretch yourself to achieve a full movement. Initially you can go little bit, see your pain comfort level, and then slowly try to reach the full range of motion. Right? Don't go and try to achieve the full range, otherwise it will give lots of stress to your back. Fifth exercise, place your hand on the wall and try to push your back towards the wall by fixing your upper body. So hold it in that position. When you push it towards a wall, hold it in this position for 5 seconds and then come back, or else at your comfort level. Do it on both the sides. Last, for this you need a towel which you can place it at your back, and you need a wall. So the place between the towel and wall, there you have to go and sink your butt, and then you have to place your both the legs on the wall like this. So you can adjust the towel according to your comfort at your back. Towel is just not to give lots of stress on your back. So you have to place your leg like this for 5 to 10 minutes. And if you feel so much of discomfort or a stretch in your legs, you can lower like this your leg, hold it for a few seconds till your discomfort goes, and then again raise it. Sometimes it happens that you will feel discomfort only in the one leg. So that time you can lower that leg. As the discomfort goes, you can raise it like this. Try to stay how much you can. So these are the few exercises to reduce your back pain or stiffness. So it's always better to consult your physical therapist or a doctor to get a prescribed exercise program. And if you feel any kind of discomfort or a pain, it's better to stop doing that exercise and consult to your physical therapist. Thank you so much.